Is 8:16. Checking in with Sloan. It is a weather impact day, Sloan. We got some fog hanging around this morning, and then it's going to get hot.
Yeah, you're right, Bo. It's going to get hot. It's also going to get really muggy as we get towards this afternoon. But a lot of us waking up to some fog, especially here in the metro. Quite a lot of fog over downtown right now. So a lot of us seeing some lower visibility, 71 degrees right now. But again, we're going to be heating up really throughout the day today. We're going to reach near 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and take a look at our visibility. So about a quarter of a mile of visibility here in the metro, quarter of a mile as well in Ames. So do just be aware of that if you have any early morning outdoor plans at all, if you have a morning commute, anything like that. Do just be aware of that lower visibility. But the good news is that patchy fog will really dissipate as we reach mid-morning, especially towards this afternoon. We're going to see a lot more sunshine reaching right around 90 degrees. And then, yep, that heat and that mugginess is really just going to continue over the next few days. So again, cloudiness this morning, but a lot of that is just going to dissipate as we reach towards this afternoon. And the next best chance for some showers and possibly a strong storm or two is going to be Sunday night into Monday morning. So here's a look at our future cast. Right around 2 in the morning on Monday is when a lot of these storms could start to fire up, maybe even a little bit earlier, and continuing on through the early morning hours of Monday. There's still a lot of uncertainty with these storms, but what we do know is that the ingredients are there in the atmosphere for some stronger storms to take place. So there's going to be a 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather, especially in northern Iowa, again, Sunday evening into Monday morning. Main threats with that are just going to be some possibilities of some stronger storms, some wind, possibly some hail as well, but we will keep you updated on that as we get a little bit closer towards Sunday and Monday. Take a look at your temperatures over the next few days. Definitely really ramping up, especially as we get towards tomorrow and Monday, going to be in the mid-90s, also feeling very, very muggy as well. That's why we do have weather impact days in place today, tomorrow, and also Monday, because wow, take a look at those heat indices, even nearing 105 degrees for Sunday and Monday. It's definitely going to be a hot and humid one over the next few days. A heat advisory is in place today for the western half of the state, again, because of those high heat indices, and also an extreme heat warning is in place for the majority of the state. That's going to take place tomorrow from 12 to 9 p.m. And again, just those high heat indices are the reason for that heat advisory. And then again, it's going to be really important to remember those heat safety tips. Make sure that you are bringing plenty of water along with you. Make sure you're not spending too much time outside when it's sunny, hot in the afternoon as well. But if you are planning to go out to the pool today, it's going to be a really great one. Clouds ending as we reach the noon hour, and then right around 4 o'clock, it's going to hit 90 degrees, so it's going to be definitely a hot one. Bring your sunscreen along with you as well, because that sun is going to come out this afternoon. Here's a look at tonight's temperatures. About 74 degrees here in the metro area, and then again, tomorrow going to be a hot one, near 94 degrees for us here in town. And then here's that look at your 8-day forecast. Again, those impact days taking place Saturday, Sunday, and Monday because of that heat and humidity, and we're still ending next week in the 90s.